Hi everyone, welcome to Dream AI channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome to our YouTube family. If you are already member of it, welcome again. Today I am going to show you a new AI tool which is named AI Comic Factory.
Comic Factory. The AI Comic Factory is an online AI comic book generator platform that allows you to generate your own comic book with the help of Hugging Face Space. The AI Comic Factory will design comic book pages for you based on your descriptions. Describe the scenario you envision, choose a style, and then select a layout. You can even opt to add captions. In response, the AI will create the necessary panels to form an entire page. You can use this AI tool to make your own story. Go to your searching engine and type google.com/type and search AI Comic Factory. Open it. It will look like that. Go where it says Story and write about your story name. I write Miss Dream, YouTube channel owner. Then the style, how you want it look. I am writing wear hijab, brown skin color, black eyes. And go where written American 1995 and choose what you want. I choose American modern. Grid 1. And activate caption after that, hit go bottom. Then after a few seconds, you will get your story with caption. Wow, that is great. Look how it looked like. It is as perfect as I want. To save it, go Save PDF Open where it says Printer and choose Save as PDF, then select Layout, then Save, choose where you want to save it, then OK.
Here at the AI, I was telling you I wish you like it and it will help you to generate your story. If you like it, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like it. If you want to see other amazing AI tools, comment below or you have other to share with us.